Kechi and Amaka, how much do you know about breast cancer? Because you have to know the truth so that if they lie to you, you can easily tell it. There are plenty lies that they've told you about breast cancer, and these are some of them. But first of all, what is breast cancer? Breast cancer is simply a disease where abnormal breast cells grow out of control and form what you call tumors, but it can also spread to other parts of the body if it's not checked and become fatal. If there's example, they get to your brain, it can get to your spine, and it's other problem. But let's not be liars here. We know that you heard plenty things about breast cancer. Some of them are not true, some of them are true. But here are the best 17 lies that they've told you about breast cancer. Number 1, that's roll-ons like antiperspirants and deodorants can cause breast cancer. That's not really true. I know, yes, you have seen it on Google School of Medicine. Yes, everybody's saying it. Yes, you can even watch some videos where they tell there's one particular chemical. However, there is no conclusive evidence that has linked roll-on like antiperspirant and deodorant and the development of breast cancer. So until then, this is still one of those lies. Number 2, the moment you have a breast lump in your breast, it means that you have breast cancer. That's another lie. Not every breast lump can turn out to be breast cancer. However, if you find a persistent lump in your breast that is new, or you notice that there are changes on your breast skin, please do not ignore it. Go and see a medical doctor for a clinical breast exam to be sure. Number 3, putting money in your breast can cause breast cancer. This one too, there's no conclusive evidence that shows that putting money in your breast can cause breast cancer. But first, let me ask you, why are you putting money in your bra? There's wallet for money, there's bag for money, because it's not advisable because of the high amount of germs that money has come in contact with. So you really don't want it around sensitive areas like your breasts. Number 4, men do not get breast cancer. This one is another big lie, because 1 out of every 100 breast cancers diagnosed is found in men. As a matter of fact, there was even a very popular man, which is Beyonce's father, that was diagnosed of breast cancer. I think you can see that already, that men can also have breast cancer. So as women are checking their breasts, you too, Emeka, please check your breasts. Number 5, carrying a phone in your bra can cause breast cancer. Carry your cell phone in your bra does not cause breast cancer. Please be educated now. The wave in the phone can lead to breast cancer. If the wave in the phone can lead to breast cancer, it can lead to almost every kind of cancer. So the phones should be banned, but they are not, because it does not lead to any form of cancer. Those waves that come out are not enough to make changes in the cells. Number 6, breast cancer is contagious. Come off it. You cannot catch breast cancer or transform it or transfer it to another person's body. And by the way, if you're still on this page and you've not subscribed, there's no problem. I mean, you've gotten 5 points and you don't even feel the need to click the subscribe button somewhere. Stingy people. Number 7, breast cancer is commoner in women with big breasts. See, that one is not exactly true. It's not the size of your breast that determines whether you are going to have breast cancer. Here's the truth. There is no direct connection between breast size and breast cancer. Number 8, breast cancer is a certain death sentence. No, it's a lie. The likelihood of surviving breast cancer is high, especially if it's caught early. That's why we are shouting you do breast examination every month, so that you can catch it on time. And the other things that you need to look out for. Why? What's most important is if your nipple starts to retract, so it has not retracted before, please go to a doctor. If the skin around your breast is beginning to look like orange skin with small dimples inside, please reach out to your doctor. If there's sudden mass in your breast that you've not felt there before, please go to a doctor, because being diagnosed early can actually save your life. The most important thing is we are trying to stop that breast mass from going to other organs where it can cause the problem. Number 9, all breast cancers are the same. There are many different types of breast cancer, which is determined by the specific cells, because there are different cells in the breast. The type of cell that form the cancer can lead to the type of cancer, right? Number 10, a breast injury can cause breast cancer. This is not true. Injuries to the breast do not cause breast cancer. Some people have discovered that they have breast cancer through the attention of having an injury or even feeling pain on the breast. By 11, wearing bras can cause breast cancer. Nkechi, no matter the type of bra that you wear, it cannot cause breast cancer. Please, but also buy bras that will fit you well so that you will not have discomfort and breast pain. That's another thing. And please, that black bra You just do what needs to be done to it. Number 12, consuming sugar can cause breast cancer. I know, yes, me and sugar are not really best friends like that, but that does not mean I'll not be lying on sugar's head. Sugar does not cause breast cancer, but as your doctor, I advise that you reduce or limit your sugar intake because it is addictive and can contribute to other factors, obesity, which can be a risk factor in developing breast. So you can see that there's a link somewhere, but it's not directly, causing the breast cancer. And besides, that obesity can also be a risk factor for other cancers. Number 13, breast cancer only affects middle-aged women and older women. Let's not lie on age. Here's the truth. Most cases of breast cancer do not occur in middle or older women. Breast cancer diagnosis can even happen at any age or anytime. Number 14, breast pain is a definite sign of breast cancer. No, now, having breast pain does not automatically mean you have breast cancer. However, if you have continuous lingering breast pain, it might be a sign that you might need to get it checked in the hospital. Number 15, mammogram can cause or spread breast cancer. Hey! Who told you that? It's because they are compressing the breast. That's why. It's not true. Neither the compression of the breast required for a mammogram or the amount of radiation used in a screening mammogram has been shown to lead to breast cancer. Number 16, if you have a family history of breast cancer, you automatically develop breast cancer too. As we are getting to the end of this video, I'm beginning to get tired of the lies themselves, because most women who have breast cancer sometimes have no family history of breast cancer. However, remember, there's however. A family history of breast cancer can be a risk factor. Yes, but it does not mean that once there's a family history, you automatically have it. What it just means is that you probably need to be careful of the kind of things you get exposed to, and also check your breast often, regularly, so that you can find it on time. Number 17, if I guess breast cancer, I will lose my breast. It's not true. What it means is that if you start treatment on time, if it's detected early, the affected breast can be saved. If it's not detected early, there is a chance that in a amount to save the body, you can now remove the breast. That's called a radical mastectomy, right? Sometimes even with the removal of the breast, they go as well as removing the lymph nodes, cutting out some, other tissues from there so that the woman's body can be saved. But that's if it has spread. That's why we say check your breast. So tell your neighbor, please check your breast this month, and I'll see you in the next video.